Children, we have read the story of Amrita and we have also done a few question and answers based on it. Now we will proceed further and we'll do some more question and answers based on the exercise. I hope that you all will learn them and understand them so that you try to implement all these things in your life. So now we'll start today's questions. These also you will write down in your copy and try to learn them. So the 7th question is, what did the elders of Amrita's village say? अमृता के विलेज में जो बड़े लोग थे, एल्डर्स थे, वो क्या कहते थे? The elders of Amrita's village used to say, अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. We plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. So this is the answer. You can see the picture of khejri fruit alongside so that you can identify it in case you get it. So can we survive without trees and animals? No, we can not survive without trees and animals. Next one is, how are trees important to us? Trees हमारे लिए कैसे important है? They provide us oxygen for breathing. हमें trees से oxygen मिलता है. They give us fruits, vegetables, wood, paper, medicine, gum and many more things we get from trees. Trees help in causing rain. बारिश में भी उनसे help मिलती है. Their roots hold the soil very tightly and so they prevent the soil from getting washed away. And in addition to it, trees are home to many animals and birds. So keeping all this in view, trees are very important to us. How are animals important to us? Animals क्यों important हैं हमारे लिए? Animals are important because we get many things from them. Animals provide meat, milk, egg, wool, silk, etc. And there are several other things. They help in farming, they carry loads. Some animals like dog protect our house from thieves. Okay. Now a few animals which were very common in olden times but are not so common now. ऐसे animals हैं जो पहले तो होते थे अब नहीं दिखते. ऐसे कौन कौन से एनिमल्स है कॉमन की बात कर रहे हैं विच आर वेरी कॉमन? यू कैन आस्क यू एल्डर्स. स्पैरोज, मैनाज, ये सब पहले होते थे अब नहीं होते हैं. सम कॉमन एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स दैट आर रेयर नाउ. सम ऑफ दीज आर वाइल्ड. दे वर नॉट वेरी कॉमन बट स्टिल दे कुड बी सीन, बट नाउ बहुत ही रेयर हो गए हैं. ये एंडेंजर्ड की कैटेगरी में आ गए हैं और एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएंगे अगर इफ़ वी विल नॉट डू समथिंग फॉर देम. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर स्पैरो, बंगाल टाइगर, pangolin, the animal very much talked about these days. You must have seen in news also. This is also on the verge of extinction. ये भी extinct हो जाएगा if it is not protected and safe. Single horned rhinoceros. Single horned rhinoceros, जैसे आपने we have studied in the chapter on elephants also. They are hunted for their horns and so their number is decreasing. Why some animals have fallen in the category of endangered? ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? कुछ animal endanger क्यों हो गए? The reason is because of excessive hunting, decrease in their natural homes. Birds वगैरह तो क्यों कम हो गए हैं? Because their natural habitat has decreased. Forest कम हो गए हैं. इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल टावर्स. स्पैरोज़ के लिए स्पेशली कहा जाता है उनका नंबर इसलिए रिड्यूस हो रहा है क्योंकि मोबाइल टावर्स की रेडिएशन से उनके ऊपर बहुत हार्मफुल इफेक्ट होता है. सो ऑल दीज यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट. यू कैन सी द पिक्चर अलॉन्ग साइड ऑफ एमर लेपर्ड. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन. आई हैव एडेड पिक्चर सो दैट यू फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, थैंक यू. you.